Hey everyone, it's Janelle from the Yarn Necklaces channel. I have this fun and spooky Halloween necklace tutorial to show you. I wore this to Universal's Halloween Horror Nights last year and got a ton of compliments. So I can't wait to show you how to make it because it's super fast and easy. And to make this even more fun, I'm going to do a giveaway for this necklace. So in the comments, let me know what is your favorite Halloween candy, and I will pick one lucky winner from those comments. And all the rules are in the description below, but basically you must be 18, live in the US, sorry it costs too much to ship out of the country, and email me your address within 2 days of the drawing. So now that we have all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on our necklace. So what you will need is an 18-inch chain. This one has a 2-inch extender, but it's not really necessary. It's just helpful if you want to make it longer or shorter. And then you'll want your spider web charm, a spider charm, and 4 jump rings. These are 6mm, 22 gauge, so they're big enough to put over your spider web charm, but then they're also skinny enough to put on the chain. And then you'll want a wire cutters and 2 pliers. And then also a ruler to measure out your chain. So take your chain and you're going to measure out 6.5 inches on both sides. So start from where the chain starts and measure out 6.5 inches, which is right about here. And just cut it with your wire cutters. And then cut the other side. Measure it from where the chain starts. Got those 2 pieces, and then this third piece, you're going to measure out 1.5 inches. Either side, doesn't matter. And then the rest of this chain you can just throw away or use it for something else. Then real simple, you're just going to take your spider web charm and then turn it this way. This is the way it's going to be facing. And then take your jump ring. Open it up a little bit. And then take your spider web charm, and then we're going to put it on this opening right here, the one at the end. And then you're going to take extender chain on the end, or the other side, not the lobster clasp side. And you're going to put your jump ring through that end of the chain. If you have a skinny chain like me, it's kind of tricky. And then you're going to close it up and just make sure these two ends are tightly closed up together, because you don't want this chain coming through. You don't want to lose your necklace. Then you want to take your next jump ring and that other end, we're going to put it on this opening here. So this one here. And then string it through our chain. And then close it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. If it's not tight, you can kind of push it together when it's out and then push it back. I feel it closed, so I think it's good. You can feel it rubbing against each other, so it's closed pretty good. Then take another jump ring and take your chain and put it through one end of your 1.5 inch chain. Then you're going to put it where the loop is on your spider web charm. Close it up, make sure it's tight. Then take your spider, well, your jump ring and your spider, and string it on here, on the end. And there you go. Your necklace is all made up. So make sure, if you want to win this necklace, that you leave a comment below and tell me your favorite Halloween candy. And come back to my channel on October 12th. And I will have a drawing. I'll do the drawing on that day. So that way you know who the winner is. So good luck. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.